Good morning, Nottinghamshire Madness fans. So, two little snippets on today's video. My ex-Centre Parks Mongoose Rockadile. This came out of Centre Parks about 10 years ago. Dynamo lighting. Had the Centre Parks logo blanked out, although I think that's the turquoisey duck teal blue is a Centre Parks colour. That came out of Centre Parks about 10 years ago. Been my workhorse probably for 9 years. Dynamo light, Shimano hub dynamo, relaxed front and rear, sort of multi-purpose, general purpose work bike as it were. I'm going to get the car for the MOT, or from the MOT station, and I'm cycling along the old Cauldwell Road, which at one time was the main route from the A60 coming out of Nottingham into Sutton-in-Ashfield. And I guess this closed probably 12-13 years ago when they built the Mansfield and Ashfield regeneration route. Called it the Mar Road for some reason, M-A-R-R. That's Mansfield Ashfield regeneration route, I guess. But just look how nature's taking over. Nature wins in this world every time. Encroached over halfway over the road, a little narrow track further up, trees hanging down. I've come down the hill, chestnuts lying everywhere. I didn't stop and pick any up because I've got my own chestnut tree in my garden at home. Lovely little bits of forestry here. Cuts through Cauldwell Woods to the back of the cemetery. Pretty good mountain biking through there. And then we've got Cauldwell Woods over the hill. The top of the bank is where the road is. You can probably just see the traffic. Little bit of traffic history that's been returned to nature. I mean, the road itself, this Mar route, is so horrendously busy anyway now. Can't believe all the vehicles used to come up and down here. So a little ride out on the Mongoose Rockadile. 38 tooth on the front. It's got one of those mega drive or super gears, first gear on the back, which is useful for hills. Although I'm going to drop it down from a 38 to 34 I think on the front, because I don't use the top two gears really. So there we go, just a little video, something I'm doing today. Collecting the car from the MOT. That's MOT'd, insured and taxed for another year. Job done. Result. Catch you on the next one. Thank you.